In this video, we are going to show you how to use Surfshark VPN on multiple devices. Now, Surfshark allows unlimited simultaneous devices connected to a single subscription. So you can enable protection for your entire household. That means you can have like this one. This is going to be your dashboard on your PC or laptop. You can have your tablet, another PC or laptop, your phone. So you can have all of those under one subscription. So you can actually do this by just logging into your Surfshark account, whether it's a PC on your mobile, and then log in with the same credentials and connect to a server. After that, the best way to do this is to use the log in with code option to avoid typing credentials repeatedly because it does get tedious. So you have to go to settings, account, log in with code on an already logged in device, meaning the code that the first device is logged into, and then enter the code on your new device within the first 5 minutes of that first device logging in. After that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.